Welcome to the wonderful campus of Nabi and Siab.
The northern state of Punjab is known as Food Bowl of India and is a leading state in terms of agricultural produce that necessitated setting up of two premier biotechnology institutes in Mohali, that is Nabi and Siab. The two institutes work together to increase farm income by improving the yield and enhanced nutritional value of the crops. Nabi was set up in 2010 by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, to carry out research in the area of agriculture, food and nutrition biotechnology. Nabi also envisioned the utilization and commercialization of agri-waste to improve farmers' income. Nabi realized the need of a planned course of action to help the nation in food and nutritional security, which in real terms is the vision of the institute as well. This premier institute was able to emphasize on nutritional quality along with the quantity through agro-food biotechnology research and innovation. The institute was established to foster the transformation of agri-food sector in India and provide innovative and tangible biotechnology solutions to the major scientific and technological challenges in the areas of agriculture, food and nutrition. The Mohali-based premises also host another institute of repute, Siab, which conducts research on secondary agriculture produce to develop high-utility products from bioresources. Siab is the only institution in the country that primarily does in-depth research on secondary agriculture produce and develops high-utility products from bioresources. Large part of this income generated from unorthodox secondary agriculture resources will substantially increase the income of farmers. Nabi and Siab have been using the high-performance computing cluster facility jointly since their inception. Last year, Nabi expanded the facility by installing an entry-level HPC system to accelerate the analysis of genomics and transcriptomics data. The current HPC system delivers the peak computing power of 36 teraflops with more than 200 terabytes of secondary storage. To further enhance the computational capabilities, Nabi, an autonomous institute of the Department of Biotechnology, has collaborated with CDAC to install a supercomputing facility under the National Supercomputing Mission funded by the Department of Science and Technology. Param Smriti is a hybrid high-performance facility designed by CDAC to cater to the need of the researchers in various domains. It consists of 156 computing nodes powered by 312 latest Intel Xeon Platinum CPUs with more than 50 terabytes main memory. The system can attain a peak computing power of 838 teraflops and offers more than 1 petabyte secondary storage. It has 10 GPU nodes providing 20 NVIDIA V100 GPUs to accelerate the applications significantly. All nodes are supplied with minimum 192 GB primary memory and are connected through 100 Gbps interconnect to achieve maximum performance. Param Smriti is ready to use for users at Nabi, Siab and other institutes under the NSM. The facility will help various national institutes to achieve their mandate by carrying out cutting-edge research work in computational biology, climate change, nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, chemical sciences and other research areas. Nabi and Siab adopted the e-Office solution for upgrading their digital working platforms. E-Office is a digital workplace solution. The product aims to bring in more efficiency in governance. Implementing e-Office at Nabi aims to achieve a simplified, responsive, effective and transparent working culture. The salient features of the e-Office are: enhances transparency, increases accountability, assures data security and data integrity, transform the institute work culture and ethics, promote innovation by conserving staff energy and time, paperless office, easy monitoring of office files for speedy decision making, operational efficiency. The National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute, NABI, located at Mohali, is creating an enterprise-level research purchase application with Labify, a startup incubated at NABI. Labify enables digital approval of purchase requests, tracks fund expenditure, and helps to meet compliances for funding agencies by maintaining a repository of documents. This will bring transparency and also save paper. The use of artificial intelligence and machine learning is a setup in the right direction, and Labify with NABI can create a solution which will be useful to the scientific community, especially on the management side.